Hi guys, so today we are going to do reverse a permutation question. Okay, and this is what we are going to do. As you can see, a permutation of length in an array consisting of n distinct integer from 1 to n is in an arbitrary order. For example, 2 3 1 5 4 is a permutation, but 1 2 2 1 3 4 are not permutation. I mean, these are the basic you must know. You are given a permutation p of length and you can perform the following operation exactly once. Okay, choose two integer n, l, r and reverse the segment l and r in the permutation of p. Okay, so you have given an array, you will choose a element integer l and r and you will reverse swap them. Okay, reverse the segment l and r in the permutation. Your task is to output the lexicographical maximum permutation that can be obtained by performing this operation. A permutation A is a lexicographical greater than the permutation B. If the first position I were they differ, it hold A index greater than B index. Okay, so what is saying, for each test case output the lexicographical maximum permutation that can be obtained with one operation. Okay, so yeah, what the question is saying, we have given a permutation of length n at it's an array which consists number from 1 to n. Okay, in any order. Okay, but it's a permutation, so it should be like 1 2 3 4 4 3 2 1 like that. Okay, it shouldn't be like 1 2 2. It should be a proper permutation. What we can do, we can perform exactly one operation, choose a segment l and r and reverses. Okay, and reversing means l and r element from position l to r will be flipped backward. Okay, so what's our goal in this? Our goal is to get the maximum lexicographical permutation possible. Okay, in this array. And what's the lexicographical maximum mean? It means find the position where they differ. Okay, and the one with the larger number of that position wins. Okay, like for example, 4 1 2 3 is greater than 3 2 1 4 because position 4 is greater than 3. Okay, like that. And as you can see over here, same 3 2 1 is greater than 3 1 2. Why? Because at 1 2 is greater than 2 is greater than 1. Okay, something like that. So let me show you the code. I have already written the code. As you can see, number of test cases, then integer, then we enter the value of array. In this we declare a variable position pos is equal to this. It will iterate till it is greater than or p and at index pos is equal to n minus pos. Okay, so it will iterate till that. Then what we will do, if pos is less than n, target value will be n minus pos. Okay, and target idx index is equal to what? Find p. We will find target value in the array of p. Okay, and it will be minus by p begins. Okay, so we'll get the target index. Okay, and after that what we are going to do, we reverse the whole array. Okay, yeah, so plus the target idx plus 1. Okay, then what we are going to do, we will print the whole array. Okay, it will be what? Lexicographical maximum. Okay, lexicographical maximum is the with the larger I mean position where they differ the most. Okay, larger number at position, like 4 is greater than other index 3. Okay, like that. Let me run it. Okay, it takes some time. Come on. Yeah. Okay. It will be something like 2193 A. Okay, now let's run the code. It compiles successfully. Now let's execute this code. Okay, enter the test cases. Yeah, so it's working fine. As you can see, all the answers are, or the outputs are correct. So yeah guys, that's it. Thank you for watching. If you have any doubt, write down in the comment section. I will definitely try to reply it. Thank you for watching.